Hey everyone, I have another paracord project for us to do today. This one is a paracord cross and they're pretty easy to do. They're just done out of the basic Cobra weave. This requires two pieces of paracord, one that is shorter, around about 1 meter long or 3 foot 3 inches, and the other one 2 meters long or around about 6 foot 6 inches. Start off by finding the center of each piece of paracord, and we are going to use the long strands or the 2 meter long piece of paracord as the core strands, and we're going to tie the shorter piece around it. So just lay the longer strands over the shorter piece, and we are going to start off with the Cobra knot. So I'm going to take this left hand strand here over those two core strands, and then I'm going to take the right one over that, then we're going to take it behind and then up through this loop. And tighten it down. And then I'm going to repeat that over the other side. I'll take this right hand piece over the two core strands, take that left hand piece over that, and then I'm going to take this one behind and up through here. And then I can tighten this down. And we can adjust this loop however long you want this loop on your cross to be. You can just pull that core through to make it shorter, or pull on the top to make it longer. And we will continue on doing a few more stitches here. Left over the two core strands, then I'm going to take this right strand over, behind and through that left loop. Then alternating, I'm going to do my right hand strand over, left hand strand over that, and then behind and through that right hand loop. And I'm just going to do 2 more quick stitches, and then we're going to do the bottom of the cross. So once we've done 6 stitches here, I want to flip this whole piece around. So once I flip this around, I want to come up this length here about 10 centimeters or so, which is around about 4 inches, and I'm again going to start tying Cobra knots. So I'm just going to separate those strands out and then take that left hand strand around and over the core, right hand strand over that, and then behind and through. And I'm just going to tighten that off, and again another Cobra weave, right hand strand over, left hand over, behind and through, and I'll show you one more, alternating again, left hand strand over, right hand over that one, and then behind and through. and we just need to continue this until we meet this bottom weave here, alternating between left and right as we do the stitches. So once you get these two weaves to meet here, you'll notice you'll have two strands coming off on the left and two on the right. We can start our arms now, so I'll just rotate this around, and we're going to do a cobra weave again. So we just need to come out about 3 or 4 centimeters or 1/2 inches or so, and again we're going to do our cobra weave. So just separate these legs out, take that left hand strand over, right over, behind and through the left hand loop, and this is the exact same weave that we did here and down here. So I'll take the right hand strand over, left hand strand over, behind through that right hand loop, and we just need to continue this one until we reach this centerpiece. So once we get to the center here, we just need to repeat that exact same process for this arm. So come out an equal distance to that leg out here, and then tie your cobra knots again. So just go left over the core strands here, right hand strand over, behind and through that left loop, then adjust this length here if you need to, and then continue your cobra knots until you reach this center here, and we're almost finished. So again, once we've reached this center, all we have left to do now is to cut off these excess pieces here. So just use a pair of scissors, get them in quite close to the knot, cut them off, and then just singe them off with a lighter. Just melt the edge there, and then just press it down to flatten it out so it doesn't pull back through the knot. And then repeat that for the other 3 strands, and the project is completed. So there you have the finished cross. Please share this video because that allows me to keep making content for you guys. Thanks for watching.